We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 364. Tri-bridage versus Dragoon Lockout. Here we go. I don't know who went first. Okay, yeah. Magician's Soul. Discarded Magician Girl. Joker's Knight. Sending Queen's Knight, and it becomes that name. Those are all special summons. That's a normal summon. Jack's Knight. If it has a Queen's Knight, this guy's not with a Queen's Knight. It can summon Jack's Knight from the deck. Those two level 5s for ladies. Those two effect monsters for birthday effect. Pay 2,000. Copyright as fusion. For Dragoon. Soul Servant. Magician's Dark Magical Circle goes on top of his deck. Banishing. What does this card do? Banish this card, draw equal number of Dark Magician on the field and in your graveyard. 2. Dark Magical Circle. Soul Servant. Set. Red on draw phase, I forbidden droplet. Who? Nerval and Fractal. Those two. Nerval is gonna try to negate it, but he just wants these cards to go in the grave because they have a grave effect during the end phase grave effect. Stellar Pleiades, same thing. He's just trying to get the end phase grave effect. Karis, Fractal. Karis, Banish 2 for Bearbrum. Linked for Rugal, Bearbrum, get the Revolt and put back that card. Desires 2 Revolts. Okay. I thought I was gonna be able to link off for access code, but I can't link. I don't know how to link summon apparently. I'm like, no, 0 attack. Well, I killed Dragoon with Rugal. I have a 0 attack effect failure. What's happening? Okay. Adding a light warrior. Target 1 warrior in a graveyard, shuffle in your deck. If you do, add this card. Jokers. Put back to deck, add back to hand. Soul Servant. Gonna put that on top. It's gonna draw. Stellar Pleiades, gonna revolt. I'm gonna have to chain the revolt. Shurag, Nerval, and Fractal. Did not use Shurag's effect yet. I could still do it on Rugal. Rugal special, and then Shurag. I don't know why I did this guy. I thought he was gonna Xyz climb, but I was wrong here. Okay. Joker, send Queen, Verte. I didn't even know you could do Magical Eyes Fusion with Verte. Banish. Oh, okay, so we already had the leftover, those two. And yeah, from the deck, he's running probably 3 Dragoons. Those got Dragoon, Soul Servant, Vanity's Ruler, Pop and Burn, Rugal's Effect. They lose 300 for each type I control if he's sent to the graveyard. Pop and Burn, Dragoon Effect. He's gonna set a card, he's gonna attack. Why did he? Oh, okay, so we can clear the field. Okay. Joker's Knight. Each effect once per turn. Eternal Soul, or Magic Attack. Normal. Sad, and yeah, he had this one. I scooped this one. Infinite Impermanence. He's gonna negate with Dragoon, and that's when I scoop. I couldn't get game 2. Game 2, I disconnected. Like, my laptop was running out of battery, and I plugged it in. Plugged in the charger, and it picked up the Ethernet, and then it cut me out of the Wi-Fi, which cut me out of the game. But I went back online, and then I won the part 2. But once you exit, once you come back, if you get disconnected, you can't save the replay. So here we go, game 3. So I won, so he's going first, yeah. Joker straight. Ash. Gamma. Yeah, I think I screwed up on game 2. He gammaed, and then I activated Forbidden Droplet. Then I looked back in the log and it said negated. And I'm like, ah, what? Negated by Cyframe Gear Gamma. So that was a mistake. Game 2. How the heck did he skip this guy out? Wow. Joker straight. King, Jack. Those 2 for Excalibur. Vanity's Fiend. Playing the lockout game. Joker straight. Warrior. Light Warrior, Griever, shuffle on deck, and if you do, add this card to your hand. Okay. I thought it was it's over here. I had nothing. Power Desires. Oh, drawing the Imperm. Let's see what I banished. I did banish the 2 Revolts. I was hoping for a Lightning Storm, but that's okay. Imperm, Vanity's Fiend. Now I can special summon. Now both players can special summon. Thoroughblade, Orbo, Battle, Orbo Direct, Overlay, and for Zeus, did I Zeus? Yeah, I did Zeus, because I wanted to set Imperial Order. Joker straight. Imperial Order, negate. You're still going to be able to use Joker Straight's Grave Effect because Imperial Order Only does from the field. Negates spells from the field. Joker straight. Karis. Yeah, I finished him off here. I did Karis and I linked it off with Zeus. And that was unexpected die. Whoa. I press, what is that? Right click unpauses it. Whoa. Switch to attack, Karis. Banish 4 for Shurag. Fractal. Banish 2 for Farajit. And I wanted to be safe, so I go for Apollosa. And then Farajit. Draw and put back. And he just surrendered. Let's do this. So if you go like this, if you go to part 3 and go to decks, it says nothing. But if you go to part 1 and go to decks, it says his deck. We're gonna go 3, 6, 4. Yeah, I bet he has 3 Dragoons. Okay. There we go. I was going over here and trying to look at decks. Oops. Yes, leave. If you go over here, decks, nothing. If you go to the first one, decks, there's something. Huh. Let's check out the progression. I was at 11:15, 11:21, 185, 186. Okay, and then let's check out his deck. 364, 364 right here. This is his deck. Three Vanities Ruler. Wow. What the heck is that? Three Jokers straight, one Magical Ice Fusion. Double or nothing. Soul Servant. Joker's Wild. Okay. Whoa. Two. Okay, I thought he had 3. Did have a Zeus. Three Spear Mode. Royal Decree. Wow, Dragoon Lockout. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.